Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify NordVPN kill switch and DNS settings, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify the NordVPN kill switch, open the NordVPN application on your device. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the settings menu, usually found in the left sidebar. Select the Advanced tab to access the kill switch settings. Ensure that the kill switch is turned on. If it is not toggled on, switch it to enable the feature. Next, to test the kill switch, disconnect from your VPN server. Observe whether your internet connection is terminated immediately. If the kill switch is functioning properly, your internet should stop working. Reconnect to the NordVPN server to restore your internet access. Now, let's check the DNS settings. Open the NordVPN application again and go back to the settings menu. Locate the DNS section. Verify that the option for using NordVPN's DNS is enabled. This ensures your DNS queries are secure and private. To further confirm your DNS settings, open a web browser. Visit a DNS leak test website like dnsleaktest.com. Start the test and wait for the results to load. Check if the DNS servers displayed belong to NordVPN. If they do, your DNS settings are correctly configured. If not, revisit your DNS settings in the NordVPN application. Make any necessary adjustments and rerun the DNS leak test. By following these steps, you can ensure both your kill switch and DNS settings are properly verified. With these checks complete, you can use NordVPN with added assurance of your privacy and security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.